What's going on, people? Welcome to JakeBeCastin. This is a catch and cook. Not really. I bought it and I'm gonna cook it. But it is something to do with fish. So I can post this. I can post this because it's dealing with fish. I'm gonna make some homemade Chirashi. If you guys don't know what Chirashi is, look it up. It's right here. And then right here, this is what it looks like. Yeah. So I'm gonna use pretty much salmon. I'm gonna use tuna. I'm gonna use CrabStick. That's pretty much, that's all. And I spent all this under $50. So with that being said, here is the salmon. Boom. Tuna portions. I'm just gonna get some nice slice off these tuna portions. I'm gonna see how this goes because the fact that it's not actually the fresh tuna, of course. But anyways, some sushi places still get it in blocks and it's still not fresh anyways. But shout out to some really quality sushi places. And also lastly but not least, we got the CrabStick imitation crab for all you pescatarian out there. That's still meat, okay? But anyways, and then lastly, we got rice vinegar, of course, to do with the rice and to enjoy. So let's do some cooking. I'm gonna thaw out these tunas. Well, this just one block of tuna, and then also the CrabStick. Let's get to cutting the salmon, shall we? First and foremost, you guys don't judge my cutting of fish, okay? Because one, I'm not a sushi chef. Two, I'm just doing this for fun, and I just love cooking. All right. So if you judge me, go ahead and judge me. It's cool. It's all good, baby. It's all good. And I forgot to make the wasabi. You can grab this at another farmer's market, but wasabi is life, y'all. If y'all can't eat wasabi with sushi, I don't know what y'all tasting, man. Cause you know what I'm saying? Cause you're your boy. Wasabi is the best thing on earth with sushi. I'm just kidding. But anyways, yeah, we're gonna get a little bit of that. Woo, that's good enough right there. This was already at home. It's sashimi soy sauce. Add a little bit of that. Let's try it. Yeah, that nose hair burn. Tell you, if you have allergies or you have any like congestion, just eat wasabi. It will clear everything up. And boom, here we have it right here. We got the sushi rice. It's pretty good. I think I put enough of the rice vinegar. Didn't want to put too much because I didn't use a measuring cup. And man, this rice is fire. But got the CrabStick, got the tuna, and got the salmon. Again, these aren't the freshest fish. All right. So it's only $10 for some tuna. With that being said, let's dig in. Let's really dig in this delicious meal. we're gonna try this out. Let's try this out. First, let's try out the rice. Let's try out the rice. Rice is perfect. I don't think we really need sushi rice. CrabStick first. Get some of that wasabi soy sauce on there. Tuna. Ooh, I put a lot. Look, it's not even hot and I'm blowing it. You know, this tuna is not bad. It's not bad, y'all. But still, I still go with high, like, qualities. Tuna, prime tuna, like, trust me, guys, like, this is just cause, like, I just want to cook. But I definitely gotta, you always gotta eat quality fish sometimes, like, you just have to. Try the salmon. Oh dang, I drenched this mug. Oh man. Oh man, oh man. Yeah, this is the best, like, homemade chirashi, man. Like, this is my first time making chirashi. Like, this is good. This is really good. See, and you know it's a good tuna, you get that good reddish. And that reddish color. This is like more of a pink. Like, it's fake. I'm sure it is. But, I mean, it does the job, y'all. Like, you still taste the tuna on this thing. Well, it is tuna, but... oh my goodness, this salmon, like, it doesn't have that best color of, you know, like that nice reddish orange, or not reddish, like more of like an orange peach color of like really good salmon. But I mean, again, 20 bucks, you can't beat that. That's a whole slab, man. And the sushi rice can use a little bit more of the rice vinegar. It's not that vinegary. Yeah, if that's the word. Alright, enough watching me eat. Alright, y'all. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. All the sushi chefs, please don't bash on me. Like, I mean, if y'all want to, y'all go ahead, like, post me up. You know what I mean? Do your thing. But and just like make fun of me of how I cut fish or whatever. But just to let y'all know, other folks gonna be like, this guy don't even have a sushi knife. He's not even making the right rice. I told you I'm just doing. This is a DIY Chirashi, baby. For watching, you guys have a great and awesome, blessed freaking day. And do good, be a motivator, lead others, and just, you know, just be you and build a better self, build a better you. You feel me? Y'all have a great and blessed day, and enjoy my video. Peace out.